note I should get today itself. We will send it. Okay. So good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yesterday I took one formula for finding the diagonals, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
opening the notes. Shall I ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dia Naufal, will you tell the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is number of diagonals?
Number of diagonal is equal to n bracket n minus 3 by
n
2.
into n minus 3. No need of telling that bracket, that is into n into.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, n into n minus 3 by 2. Okay, Afrin.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer.
Number of diagonals is equal to n into n minus 3 divided by 2.
Okay, then Dev Narayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer.
N into n minus 3 by 2.
So that was the last portion we have taken, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So today we will study about the interior angles. Okay, children. So yesterday I took that convex polygon and concave polygon, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Convex and concave.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. This one, isn't it? So convex polygon, convex and concave polygon. Convex polygons means our normal polygon. All polygons, all diagonals will be inside the polygon itself. All diagonals will be inside the polygon itself. And concave means one more diagonals will be outside. That means like this. When we draw the diagonal, it will be outside. Isn't it? Hello, children.
Yes, ma'am.
This diagonal is outside when we draw. Okay, so that is all about concrete and concave and convex polygon. Now some more figures I showed yesterday. This one. Then, so regular and irregular polygons. Yesterday we took about regular and irregular polygons. What do you mean by regular polygons? Regular polygons.
All side and angles are equal.
Equal and all angles
All
are
sides and all angles are equal. Okay. Can you tell the name of the regular triangle?
Equilateral.
Triangle. Very good. Then what is regular quadrilateral?
Square.
square.
Square. Okay. So this much we studied yesterday. Now, okay, children. So this for the next classes. Okay, now let me teach you some more things. So you know what is the angles and property of a triangle? Angles and property of a triangle. You know, children, what is angles and property of a triangle? Yes, yes. Tell.
Equal to 180.
Very good, very good. Okay. So when you add all angles of a triangle, that means a triangle has how many angles?
3.
3 angles, correct. So these are interior angles. See, children, these are interior angles. Okay. Interior angles means inside. What do you mean by interior? Inside. So interior, inside. One angle is this. Can you see? I'm shading now.
Yes, ma'am.
This is one angle. Angle means this width, right? So I shaded that so that you can understand. And that is angle A. Okay, children? Clear?
Yes,
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this is angle B. Actually, I shaded for you to understand, this is actually known as angles. So this is angle B. Okay, children?
Okay.
And one more is there that I'll shade with a
Angle
different
C.
color.
Angle C.
Yes, yes. Angle C. Okay, angle C. This is, second. Okay, this is angle C. So we got three different angles. I colored with three colors. Okay. Okay, children. So these are known as interior angles because they are inside. But sometimes we can see exterior angles also. I'll tell you how you will get exterior angles. This is one side, A, B, A, B, A, B, C. This A, B, when you extend, you will get one angle here. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is known as exterior angle.
Exterior angle.
Exterior angle because it is outside. Same, the meaning is in the word itself. Interior means inside, exterior means outside.
Outside.
This we get by extending this side. Similarly, when you extend this side, you will get one exterior angle here. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you
Yes, ma'am.
extend this, you will get one exterior angle. This side, this way also we can extend. And this side, this way also we can extend. So you will get lot of exterior angles, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
But interior angles, can you see? Interior angles, how many interior angles are there?
3.
Only
Three.
Three. The sum of interior angles is always 180. Okay. Last year, 7th standard, I don't know whether you have done that activity. There was one activity to prove it is 180 degree. I'll show that. Suppose you have one triangle cut out. Means with paper, you cut one triangle. I don't know whether you have done this. Have you done this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If it's your paper itself, A4 sheet or any paper, you cut one triangle. It is easy for cutting one triangle, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And shade these three angles like this, different colors. And when you cut this angle you just cut and somewhere you keep. Cut the angle, shade with a different color, and cut the angle and paste in the paper itself, down somewhere, like this. With the gum, you can paste. Okay. Similarly, this is C, angle C, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this one, angle B.
Yes, ma'am.
This angle B. And one more angle is there. What is that angle?
Angle A.
Angle A. Angle A with the red color. That let me paste here. What did you understand from this, children? Do you recognize this shape?
we get 180 degree.
That's how
You recognize this shape, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Similar one
Yes, ma'am.
instrument is there in your box.
Protractor.
Protractor, very good. So this same shape, one instrument is there in your box. Okay, children. So when you look at carefully your instrument, that is our protractor, the total angle is 0 to 180. And from here 0 to 180. So when you see this shape, you will understand that when you add these three angles, you will get 180 degree. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is protractor shape. Like this also you will get. Total one circle's degree measure is 360. Isn't it? And when you divide one circle into two equal parts, how much?
180.
180 degree. Good,
180.
good. 180 degree. Okay, children? Eight B. Let B. Okay, children, I hope you understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when you divide, see children, just now chairman came here to see whether your videos are on or off. Nada Jalal, Aris Nihal, I don't know who, Aris, who is Aris Nihal? I did not see any child's name like that. Huh? Oh?
Ma'am, can I say ma'am?
It is Nihal, right?
No, ma'am. Asim.
Asim Nabi.
So name it properly. To see whether your videos are on. Nada Jalal, I don't know where she has gone. Nada Jalal. Okay. Dev Narayan. Okay, children. So, this is when you divide 360 into two equal parts. You will get one semicircle, another semicircle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 180 plus 180. So don't forget this. Always angle sum property of a triangle is angle. What is the
180
interior angle
degree.
sum?
180
degree. 180 degree. Don't forget this. When you see a triangle, whenever I ask you, you should tell the answer, the interior angle sum. Interior angle sum, because this year, last year we have studied only angle sum. But this year you are studying interior angle and exterior angle both. Okay. So sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles of a triangle. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Will you forget this?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So, shall I take the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, then now we will study one important thing that is very important, very important. It is sum of, 1 second. One second. Okay. Sum of interior angles. You can write in your notes. Sum of interior angles of polygons. 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 Did you write the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So this is our base. First polygon is triangle. Okay. Don't write anything. Keep the pen there and listen to me. Our first polygon. What is our first polygon? Least sided polygon? Triangle.
Triangle.
So that polygon
Triangle.
is triangle. Okay. Polygon is triangle. Its name is triangle. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many sides it has?
3.
3 sides.
3.
And angle sum. What is the angle sum of a triangle?
180 degree.
180 degree.
180
degree.
Okay. 180 degree. So you know it. So first one is the base. Okay. Based on this, we are studying all the other one. Clear, children? Based on
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
we will study all other polygons, angle sum. And next one is one second.
Quadrilateral.
Next one is quadrilateral. Okay. Let me move this. Okay. And second one is quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral. How will you draw a quadrilateral? You can draw a square, rectangle, or different
Shape.
different size. Means the sides can be different. Sides can be same. Any way you can draw. Okay. So quadrilateral means anything. It can be a rectangle, parallelogram, anything. So it is a quadrilateral. Its name is quadrilateral, isn't it, children?
Yes,
Its name is quadrilateral.
Yes, ma'am.
That means it has 4 sides.
Four
How many
sides.
sides?
4
Four
sides.
sides.
Now let us find the angle sum. We will draw one diagonal like this. Only one diagonal. So what did you understand from this?
2 triangles.
You will get 2 triangles.
360.
Very good, Diana. Felt very good. So one triangle, you know, it is 180 degree. Second triangle also, it is 180 degree.
360 degrees.
So total how much?
360.
360 degree. Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So you know how to find it. Now,
Yes.
third one. We will draw one pentagon. What do you mean by pentagon?
Silent polygon.
5-sided polygon.
Five-sided polygon.
Five-sided
So pentagon, this name of this one is pentagon. And how many sides it has? 5 sides. Okay. So we will draw one corner, we will draw diagonals like this. Only from one corner. We want this to make in least number of triangles like this. Draw only 2 diagonals. And you got how many triangles you got now?
3 triangles.
3 triangles. 180, 180, and 180. Okay, children. So, what will be your answer? 3 into 180, right?
And 540.
Yes, ma'am.
Here it is 2 into 180, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here it is 1 into 180. What is 3 into 180?
540.
Ma'am is 540.
540. Correct. Answer is 540 degree. You understood how to find it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That means we will find the next polygon. What is the name of the next polygon?
Ma'am,
Hexagon. Okay.
ma'am, we write this.
Wait. You are very eager to write. Everything after studying we will write. Okay.
Ma'am, I go to the
And what is our fourth polygon after 5? After 5?
pentagon.
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
How many sides are there for a hexagon?
6 sides.
Ah.
Ma'am, 720. 720.
Good. You understood. 1, 2, 3. How many triangles you can draw now?
4.
4.
How many triangles you can see?
4.
So 180, 180, 180, and 180. So its name is hexagon.
6 sides.
And side 6 sides. How many triangles? 4 into 180.
720.
720.
Correct. 720. Now, we are going to derive one formula to find the sum of interior angles. So, always it is not possible to cut the triangle, cut the polygon and find out. It is not possible. If I tell a 100-sided polygon, how will you find? It is impossible to draw a 100-sided polygon, 20-sided polygon, 50-sided polygon. So we should derive one formula, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So always we cannot cut the polygons into triangles and find out. This possible. It is not possible. So we will find out one formula. Okay, children. Now you are going to derive one formula. You are going to derive, not me. Okay. Tell me. Just look at here, children. Here it is number of sides. Hexagon, what is the number of sides?
6.
And what is this number? 4.
4.
How many triangles?
4.
4 triangles. Here 5-sided polygon, pentagon, 5-sided polygon, and it is 3. Here 4-sided polygon and it is 4-sided polygon and it is 2. 6, 4. 6, 4. 5, 3. 4, 2. What is the connection?
2.
Ma'am,
Very good,
ma'am,
very
after
good.
2 it will come 4.
Eh?
Ma'am, after
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus
Minus 2.
2.
If it is 6, how will you get 4? 6
Minus
minus
2.
2.
6 minus 2.
If it is 5, how will you get this 3? 5 minus 2.
Minus 2.
And if it is 4,
4
how will you
minus
get
2?
2? 4 minus 2.
4 minus 2.
And what
4
is
minus-
this? 6, 6, 6, 5, 4 and all. What are these?
Number.
6. Number of?
Number of sides.
Number of sides. Number of sides. Isn't it, children? Number of sides.
Ma'am.
If it is hexagon, what is the number of sides?
6.
6. If it is octagon, what is the number of side?
8.
8. If it is decagon, what will be the number of side?
10.
10. So you have to subtract 2. Clear? You have to subtract 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So that into 180. That will be our answer. Okay. Now we will study about after hexagon, we will move to we are not going to heptagon. We will move to decagon. So we use the formula. Okay, children. We'll use the formula. We found a formula now. Okay. So we won't write the answer this table and all. I will just write decagon. So you have to tell what is the number of sides. Decagon. What? How many sides are there? 10. And how will you find here? How will
10
you find?
minus 2.
Yes. 10 minus 2 you will find first. What is 10 minus 2?
8.
8. And 8 into 180 will be our answer. Clear, children? 8 into 180 will be our
Ma'am,
answer.
I go to that
1440.
1440.
Yes. 8 into 180 will be our answer. So 180 into 8. 180 into 8. What is the answer?
1000.
440. Okay. Now children, if you have a polygon of 15 sides. If you have a polygon of 15 sides, how will you find?
15
Ma'am,
minus
we
2
should
into
less
180.
First you will subtract 15 minus 2. What will you get?
13.
13. And after that, what will you do?
13 into 180.
13 into 180. I hope you understood this. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I tell a 50-sided, 50, how will you find?
40.
50 minus
Must you
2.
subtract 2?
50 minus
50
2.
minus 2, 48. And multiply by
48
180.
into
You will get the answer. If it is a 100-sided polygon, how will you do?
100 minus 2, 90.
First of all, you subtract 100 minus 2. You will get 98. And 98 into 180 is our answer. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how will you write it as a formula? Number of sides, any number of sides. Any number of sides. Shall I take it as n? Shall I take this as n-sided polygon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is an n-sided polygon. Wait. So this is our formula. Okay. It is an n-sided polygon. N-sided polygon. N-sided polygon means what is the number of side? Number of side n.
N.
N means any number. You can use 100, you can use 50. So n-sided polygon means n minus 2. Clear? What will you
I
do?
go to 50.
N minus 2.
Minus 2.
First of all, you subtract 2. Then what will you do? This you have to do first. That is that bracket indicates. Into
180.
180. This will be our answer.
I got 50.
Okay. So n minus 2 into 180. That is our formula. Clear, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So, interior angle sum. Interior angle sum. What is the formula? Interior angle sum.
N minus 2
into 180. So, when you get a polygon, you just check how many sides are there. Sometimes if it is a non-polygon, it will be given simply hexagon, octagon like that. So, you know octagon, what is the number of sides. If it is if you do not know the name, wait children, if you do not know the name, it will be given that a 10-sided polygon, 20-sided polygon. So what will you do first? You have to subtract 2 first. Subtract 2 and with that answer multiply 180.
180.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, do you have any doubt?
I got 50.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So one second, I'll show the PPT to you. 1 second. So this will be our activity. Okay, children, this will be our activity. You have to, in your paper, you have to draw columns. I'll show everything. This is our PPT. Okay. Okay, children. Can you see triangle? Number of sides. You have to draw the columns like this and should do the activity. You should do the activity. I'll tell you, activity means nothing. Nothing. You just draw it. You have your notes with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have A4 sheets?
Yes, ma'am. 1 or 2.
No, ma'am.
One A4 sheet is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Or normal paper do you have?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in that paper, that is enough. Only one paper. What you have to do is, you have to take the paper. Now you can draw. Now itself you can draw. Now itself, I'll tell you how to draw it. Okay. I will tell and you have to draw it. I'll tell how to do. Okay. 1 second. Listen carefully. Listen. I will tell you how to do it.
I'm in the notes here.
In the notes itself. Now you just draw a rough figure. And as an activity, you have to draw it neatly. Okay. Draw it neatly with a sketch pen. Now you just draw in your notes. Continuation, right? Continuation of your chapter, you just draw it and you do it later as an activity. Means in an A4 sheet, you can make a colorful picture. Okay, children? According to your choice. So in your notes, you can draw Okay, 4 columns like this. Polygon. Not 4 columns, 5 columns. Oh. Number of sides. Now you can draw in your notes. Number of sides. Number of triangles.
Ma'am, we need to write all
everything. Everything what I am writing on the board, you have to write.
This is an activity.
Now you can draw in your notes. It is a class work now, but later, today itself or tomorrow after I'll give only 2 days for you. So you can draw it in an A4 sheet. And Nada Jalal, Joel Joseph, Ashad, Sharanya. 1 second, children, 1 second. Sharanya is there. Nada Jalal, are you there in my class? If you are not telling anything, if you are not responding, I'll remove from my class. I don't want any child like this. Last year, fully you were not there in the classes. Whenever the teachers are calling you, you won't respond and you will not come to the classes. And this year, this is your condition. Okay, children. So, polygon. Polygon. Okay? Shall we write?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, our first polygon is triangle.
Triangle.
And number of sides, 3. Number of triangle means only one triangle you can see there. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, angle sum is 180. Simply 180. Second figure is, second polygon is, here you can write the name also, what type of polygon it is. Second polygon is quadrilateral. And you can draw a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral triangle, square or rectangle. You have the pencil, pen and everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, quadrilateral, what are the number of sides? 4 sides. How many triangles you can make? Make the dotted lines in between when you draw the diagonals. 2 triangles. So your answer is 2 into 180 and it is 360.
360.
Okay, 360. Pentagon. Pentagon, a 5-sided polygon. Number of sides 5. Number of triangles means dotted lines. Dotted lines. 3 triangles you can make. So 3 into 180, 540.
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, we should write up to the activity in a 4 sheet or chart paper.
Now you can write in your notes and the same thing, you draw it neatly with the sketch pen, color it in your A4 sheet. Only A4 sheet I need. No need of doing in the chart paper, okay? Only A4
Ma'am, you
sheet.
should write that again.
Oh?
We should write that again.
Oh?
We should write this one. This table we should write up to decagon.
No need, no need. Up to hexagon only you draw.
Ma'am, can you show up?
Okay, next one after pentagon, it is hexagon. Draw a hexagon neatly. Six-sided. Number of triangles? 4. And it is 4 into 180. And we just put the dot here.
720.
Ma'am,
Is 720?
Yes, yes.
ma'am, can you show the? Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you move a little bit up?
Wait 1 second. N-sided polygon you have to draw. 1 second, children. Let me finish drawing. Afterwards, I'll move it. I have happy hour now. You have happy hour now, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
after this, we will be having our happy hour. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you just put a dot, some dots here, so that now you are not drawing any other polygons. You just write n-sided polygon, n-sided polygon, and the number of sides is n. Number of triangles is n minus 2, and we will be writing n minus 2 into 180. So this is up to this.
Ma'am, can you show?
Yes.
In activity, how much we should write?
Only this much. Same.
Ma'am,
Just now. Yes, yes, I'll move the board. Wait. No need of drawing up to decagon.
Only up to hexagon.
Up to hexagon.
Okay.
And we will come to the now, okay. After that, we will come to the conclusion. Now everybody can see isn't it? So this way you have to draw in A4 sheets. You can use the sketch pen. You can color it. Okay. So this is our activity. Activity 1. Interior angle sum of a polygon, or sum of interior angles of a polygon. This is your activity's name. Hello, children. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Alan Jolie
Yes,
and Felix Roy, Mariam, Ashad.
Ma'am, Asad.
Ma'am, in that we should leave and come again.
No need. I'll continue. Ashad. Where is Ashad? Just now I heard his sound.
Ma'am, it is
Asad only, Asad.
Asad.
Asad. Asad. Asad. Asad. Where is Asad? Another one. Will not switch on the video. Okay. See children, up to only hexagon you draw, no need of, there won't be enough space. Since it is an A4 sheet, you won't get enough space. Up to hexagon you draw and just put the etc. dots. And we will come to the formula. Okay. Did you understand the formula, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, last of the activity, we should write the formula.
They like this, enough. Whatever I have written, that is enough. Okay. And if you want, you just take activity 1, sum of interior angles of polygon. If it is in space is there, you can write on the top or take another cover page and write that. Okay. So if you have a A4 sheet, you take one more sheet like a cover page and write this activity 1, sum of interior angles of a polygon. And don't send me that picture of that. This activity, only one sheet I required for the evaluation. Cover page, no need of sending me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Cover page we need, no, for an activity we need some things. So cover page you keep with you, staple together, and you send only this page to me. Otherwise it will be hang, my mobile will be hang. So your cover page will be same for everyone. Activity 1, sum of interior angles of a polygon. Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Finish.
I hope you understood this. So this is the formula for finding the interior angle sum. Naveen, will you tell what is the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell. Eh? Naveen? Sum of interior angles of a polygon. Formula. Naveen should tell.
Yes, ma'am. Naveen, tell the answer. Are you there in the school? Naveen, are you there in the school or where are you? Then how come this? I asked Naveen only. Naveen, if you are in school, how come this network issue? You are sitting straight under the network center, right? When I ask the question, there is a tendency for some of the people to switch off the video. I won't do anything. You just tell the formula, only that. For teaching you, I am asking. Who will tell the formula then? Agash, Avinish. Okay. Agash tell. No, Avinish tell. What is the formula? Avinish is a very good boy. Tell. Sum of interior angles of a polygon. First, what will you do? No problem, Avinish.
This much
N.
elaborately I took now. Yes, yes. N.
N minus 2
First you subtract 2. Then
into 80.
180 into 180. Okay. So, Kiran Raj, what is the formula, Kiran Raj?
Ma'am, n minus 2 into 180.
N minus 2 into 180. Very good. Anybody wants to tell the formula? Yes, all of you can tell. What is the formula?
N minus
2 into 180.
2 into 180.
N minus 2 into 180.
Okay, okay. N minus 2 into 180.
180.
N minus 2 into. All of you can tell. Tell. All of you together. N minus 2 into 180. You, all of you can unmute and tell. N minus 2 into
180.
180. Okay. Now I understood that you have studied. Now today one more period, that is only 2 periods now. Only 2 periods. Only 2 periods for us today, right? Maths only 2 periods, right? One period is maths and other period is happy
only
hour.
one period is happy
Means I am taking 1 period maths and 1 period happy hour. Nothing else, right?
Nothing else, ma'am.
You have English period today.
Yes, ma'am. English is also
English literature and history.
Okay, okay. So, now it is happy hour for us. Now you leave everything what we studied. Now you leave it. Now it is our happy hour. Okay. So when you come for the next maths period, you should show me the activity. You should study the formula. Okay. Now a happy hour. So what is your suggestion? How will you do the happy hour?
And we will play games.
Which all games you want to play? Which all games you want to play, children? 1 second, 1 second.
Ma'am, can you join me?
Okay, children. Mehul Shaju, will you turn on your videos? Now itself I will post all of your photos in your group. Whoever is not turning off your video, let your parents tell. What is the problem? Mehul Shaju, were you there in the maths classes? Mehul Shaju?
Yes, ma'am.
You were there in the maths class?
Yes, ma'am.
No. You came for the happy hour. You didn't know that I'm taking the happy hour for you? Huh? Maths classes, there was no problem, and happy hour, you can come to the class. See, children, all these things cannot, I won't allow you to do all these things in my class. Okay, I can understand. I can understand.